Okay guys, today we're going to be doing this question here, question number 3 on page 39, the one of the radio. Okay, it's just all about angles. And I'll just go through it here to show you how to do it. Okay. So the first thing we do is we draw our ground line. Okay. Now the full length of it, we don't know. Okay. So the first thing we have to do, we're told the length at the bottom. So it's, let's see, we make it up here. So it's 32 and 40, 26, 26 and 20, 14, so it's 2, 4, 6, 10, 13, 144 long. Okay, so we measure 144 long there. Okay, so we know that it's heavy going from there to there. Okay, now we're told we have to go, we can do our different heights, we can mark off our different heights. So our first height there is 20, and then another 20, then 10, then 16, then another 10, and then 32. Okay, so I can draw construction lines going across like so. Okay, now we're told from here and here that we come up at an angle of 72 degrees. So if 72 degrees on that side, we automatically take it as a 72 degrees on that side as well. Okay, so we can get our protractor, set it up here. Okay, so it's 72 degrees on this side, so we measure from the outside. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72 there. And while we're there, we'll do it on the far side. So again, we're working from this side. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72. Okay, so I'm going to draw my construction line up like that, and a construction line like that. Okay, so as you can see from here, this line comes up until it hits the second 20 line, which is up 40. Okay, so that's the first 20 line, that's the second line, that's it there. Okay, and also on that side. Okay, so that is going to be a heavy line going from there to there. There to there. Okay, so from then there we go straight up another 10, 16 and 10 again line. So it goes from there to there. I'm just going to heavy in those lines with a marker so that you'll be able to see them better. Okay, so you'll see then at the top that it goes at 68 degrees here for the inside one. Okay, now seeing as that line and that line are parallel, this one is also going at 68 degrees. And again, from this point here that we found, we'll go up at 68 degrees until it hits our 32 line going across from there. So we get our protractor again, and we're going at 68, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. Okay, and that then joins down to there, construction line, and again the same on this side. So 68 is there, like that. Okay, so this then heavy going from there to there. Heavy going from there to there. And then this line goes across the top like that. Okay. We're also told that this is a heavy line going all the way across there. Okay. Now, we're told here that it's down 10, in 10, and in 10. Okay. So we measure down 10 mil there. Now, we come off here at, we don't measure 10 going that way. We go perpendicular to the line, roughly. So that is there, so over 10 there. And on this side, 10. So we draw our construction line, like that going across there. Now, these two lines are parallel, okay? So we can do sliding set squares, okay? Because first of all, we line it up with the outside line, okay? And then we just slide our set square up like that to our 10 mark and draw a line like that. I'll go do the same on the far side. Again, sliding set squares, get it level with the outside line, holding the blue set square or the green set square in its place and sliding the one along the outside of it like that and draw a line parallel. Okay, so now we can heavy in those lines. Okay, heavy in that line. So that's our handle done. Okay, now looking back to here, we measure over 32 and draw a line up, okay? And where that line hits this 40 line going across here, we get our circle. Then we measure over 40, again drawing perpendicular lines at 40, 26, 26, and we bring those construction lines up until they hit the 20 line and we'll find our 3 circles. Also from this 40 line, we'll bring that up to where it hits this line coming across here and this line coming across here. And we bring this line up here and that will find us our rectangle, okay? So the first thing we have to do is come over from this corner here, we have to come over 32. And we draw, the construction line goes straight up. Now I'll do them all while I'm here. So over another 40, then 26, then another 26, and I should be left with 20 there at the end, which I am, okay? So, I know the construction line goes up like that, up there like that, there, and there, okay? So I'll do my rectangle first. So my rectangle comes straight up from here, and it's in between here and here, so I know that it's there. Okay, and it comes over and it hits this line here. Okay, so that's my rectangle found. Okay, now I have found the center for my circle, and that is radius 26. So set my compass to 26. Comes across here. Right, and these 3 circles are radius 10. Okay, and they hit there. So you have a circle there like that. Another one here. And the last thing I have to do is just heavy in. that line going across there. And that is your drawing finish. So it's just all about marking off your heights, your lengths, marking off your proper angles, going off at 72 degrees on both sides, and then 68 degrees here on both sides, and sliding set squares, parallel lines here for these 1, 2, 3 lines. Okay.